Jako ekikofiira kyo ennaku zino Museveni inspire wo
tuli mirimu
olaba yatambula n'ekikofiira
atatya sipiika nze gwentya nze namuwuliddemu ebyaddala. Now I fear her very much. I fear Anitah Among very much. But while here I was told that the suspension has been lifted. Now I'm like, even this job is very sweet. Even my YouTube is also very sweet. So I'm asking, should I remain doing this job or I go back and work? Wama tell me, suspension lifted. What should I do? This job is very good. I'm harvesting my uni here. Now instead of going back to annoy the speaker, why don't I remain here with my YouTube channel and do my work? People are joking with you. I'm fearing. This is my food. This food you see here in Bwaise, here, this one in Kareru. Yesterday I took a bag of 300,000. This is called the June Bwaise. I am harvesting my Bwaise. Then I leave Bwaise, go back to TV. You speak 2 days, again you annoy another person. Again you go for suspension. Then they suspend you again. Let me remain here. I'm not going back to TV. Let me remain here. Work on my uni. Friend Sharon is talk on YouTube. Let me remain here. Unless the speaker herself calls me and says, I've forgiven you, go and work. I'm going nowhere. But thank you, Mr. Variek, for lifting suspension. It's now off record that the suspension is lifted. Otherwise, this job is very good. You wake up and work. You only annoy plants. You don't annoy anybody else. And the work moves very well.